Hi crafters, I am Sam here from SS Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you this super cute card. It is too easy to make, so let's start the video. To make this, I am taking a hard paper or card and taking a colored paper, then sticking with white fabrical glue. After joining the hard and the colored paper, I am cutting the extra paper and cutting the corners. After cutting the corners, I am joining the sides with the card or hard paper. On the opposite side of the hard paper or the card, I am sticking another colored paper. Then I am cutting the extra paper again. Then I am making a hole on the top corner. Like this, I have made 5 cards. Here I have taken 5 cards, but you can take more cards as you want. With a red hard paper, I have punched a hole, and with a ribbon, I have made a bow. And then I have written some messages as I want. So that was my today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.